Hey there, ho there, folks. Welcome to the Budget Buddy Hour, or time frame. As you can see, we're getting Christmas ready, and we do have our one co-star. Like I say, folks, we are apologizing for delays in getting these episodes out because of he's watching the camera. He's like, I want to wait. And as you can see, S'mores wants to help out too. We do have some of our stuff up already.
For 8 minutes, but these are cake mixes. I'm doing it the easier way. I'm doing it for 14.
What, Gordon? Gordon, look over this way. Gordon, look at Daddy. Gordon. Hey, little bunch of kaboo. Gordon, look, look. Yeah. Bring it to Dad.
Get these beaters while the cake mix off of it. And that is going.
Look.
Because it shows me that these things need to be round, and I'm going to spread it away from Bambino over there that's in the living room.
He wants to wear my glasses.
He doesn't want to wear your glasses. He wants to take them off and put them back on you.
I know. I had the fishies on for him.
I'll use my brand new thing for the waffle maker, but I could think this could be used for my cakes too.
Yeah, it can. Be a nice little way of doing it. Gordon.
That's 2.
What? You can't take your pants off that way, you. Fishies? Fishies? I have it on the aquarium channel.
Yeah. You can even show them tank. Those are the people that make aquariums.
Yeah, but we can't have that on when we're taping.
No.
Gordon! That's good. Look! Gordon, look! You can do it. Oh! You almost stood up fully.
I'll probably see this once it's on YouTube to see that.
Push chair in. Thank you. Over.
If that first Coco and bedtime pants is sliding off of him, you can give him the Mickey one again. Yeah.
Gordon, look. Gordon, push in. Thank you. Gordon. Gordon. New tush pop. Look, Gordon. Uh-oh. It's right. Gordon, look.
Yeah, play with the dog fidget spinner. It's the only fidget spinner that he can play with. Put these ones in.
How long?
For my thing went off. Let's see.
Neutral spot. Neutral spot. God, is there trouble over here? Watch your head. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
For 8 minutes, but on the box it says
Follow what's on your recipe box, on your thing. Hey there, ho there folks, we're back. She's making the last little bit, as you can watch her, and I'm gonna sneak out.
with marshmallows and a candy cane circular part. You can put 2 or 3. That's as much as you can put on these. And you put the chocolate on the candy cane part. And somehow it's supposed to stick.
You want up?
Onto the mug.
You
like
want up?
So.
This is easy.
So, in the motto of Budget Buddies, Budget Wise,
Budget conscious,
Budget Smart,
and always, always stay cookie-ful. Whee!
Welcome back. I'm starting to melt some chocolates. I did another thing of the cupcakes.
Uh-oh.
I might even have to move this pot into the, because it hasn't been used and it's not hot.
You're making this into a game, eh? Who's that?
And
Is that Gordon? You want this? You're making this into a game. You're making.
yeah, this batch is not yet ready. It's still jiggly and wiggly.
Like Gordon.
So I might have to put it.
I caught on to the trick, eh?
Another 10 minutes. Make sure it's all fully done.
See, let them know that, and you tell me to talk to him in a bit.
And I'll talk to you in a bit.
Hey there, hello there, folks. You're going to see the wife in a second here. I'm going to move some things for her. I'm going to pay attention to Gordon, or, you know, the co-star Budget Buddies. Well, you guys get to have some fun baking with her.
Yep. And I'm making cupcake hot chocolate mugs. I just want to make sure I have enough chocolate here to use for the top of the hot chocolate mugs. And the little bambino is crawling.
And I'm going to be staying with him, folks. Well, he crawls and you watch her.
I got pancakes I'm going to move up here and marshmallows for it.
If she needs help, folks, she'll let me know, but right now it'll just be you and her.
Yep.
I don't know how well the battery is, so if you need the charger cord to plug in while you do it, let me know, okay?
Yeah, I have to put it on the carrying cup.
Yeah, you well, I was going to say, you can plug it in there. The cord, I'll give you my cord. It's longer than yours.
Yeah. Need some scissors?
We're done. Where are you going? Are you trying to get inside there from the outside? Look at this. Gordon.
I'm doing it a little bit easier way than with the cake mix.
And as you can see, folks, the little Bambino is coming to say hi.
Gordon, why don't you show everybody your shirt for this episode?
He's thinking about it. What are you doing there, Gordon? Are you shutting the doors for everything? Gordon. You can't take your pants off.
Well, they're for tea.
What? No. Come here. Come here, Gordon. 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 No. You touch Pop.
Yeah.
Now, folks, you found this recipe on Tasty, so there is ways you can find stuff. Just keep your eyes out for certain things. We did find some nice and interesting desserts that we'll be showing you later down the road.
Yep. I'm just getting.
Yeah.
And that means don't touch and French.